Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me introduce you to Defi Dragon. Defi Dragon is an independent blockchain developer who helps people build real crypto and Web3 projects. This is not a big company or team, it is a skilled solo developer focused on creating quality solutions. If you have a startup idea, need a smart contract, want a trading bot, or need help building a Web3 app, Defi Dragon can help bring your idea to life. So what does Defi Dragon do? Build secure smart contracts for blockchain projects. Create DeFi platforms from start to finish. Develop Web3 apps with wallet connection and blockchain features. Build trading bots that can run automatically 24/7. Create Telegram bots for alerts, tools, and automation. Offer blockchain scripts and ready-made tools. And there is more. If you do not need a custom project, you can also buy ready-made scripts and tools directly. This includes trading bots, smart contract templates, Web3 tools, Telegram bots, automation scripts. So whether you want a custom blockchain project or want to start quickly with ready-made tools, Defi Dragon gives you both options. Check it out at defidragon.dev.